Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Apache Spark on Databricks hands-on guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Databricks website and log into your account. Once logged in, select the workspace where you would like to use Apache Spark. In the workspace, locate the left sidebar and click on the clusters icon. Next, click on the Create Cluster button to initiate the process. In the cluster creation window, you will see several options for configuration. Enter a unique name for your cluster in the designated field. Select the appropriate Spark version that you wish to use from the drop-down menu. In the cluster mode section, choose either standard or high concurrency, based on your needs. Now, configure the worker types and number of instances according to your project requirements. Scroll down to the Advanced Options section to customize your cluster if necessary. Here, you can adjust settings for libraries, environment variables, and more. After reviewing your selections, click the Create Cluster button at the bottom of the window. Once the cluster is created, it may take a few moments to initialize. When the status changes to running, your cluster is ready to use. Now that your cluster is running, navigate back to the workspace. Select Notebooks from the left sidebar to create a new notebook. Click on the Create Notebook button and enter a name for your notebook. Choose your preferred programming language, such as Python, Scala, or SQL. Once your notebook is created, select the cluster you just set up from the drop-down at the top. Start writing your code in the notebook. You are now ready to leverage Apache Spark on Databricks for your data processing tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.